Man, we are the Africa Town Coalition. Some of y'all might be Africa Town. Where is an Africa Town in Los Angeles? We know we got Chinatown right here. We know we got Koreatown over there. But now we got Africa Town. Some of y'all know it as Lamert Park. But Lamert was also a colonizer. He didn't want black people in that area. But over the past 70 years, we have taken over that area. And if you come out there today, you will see folks from Nigeria. You will see folks from Senegal. You will see folks from Ethiopia. You will see folks from Belize, folks from Jamaica, Africans from all around the diaspora. So we invite y'all to come out. Every Sunday we have our African marketplace. We have drummers. It's a beautiful situation. Again, come to Africa Town. It's on Crenshaw and 43rd Place. Each and every Sunday. It's actually Monday through Sunday all week. Thank you.
Independence Day, Nigeria.
Yeah!
All right, that's what I'm talking about. You know, we are out here because we support all African people. Okay, we support all African people because we are African as well, you know what I'm saying? So we want to build some bridges, right? This is what Africa Town Coalition is about in Africa Town. We want to build some bridges between Africa Town Coalition community and the Nigerian community. That y'all have a home in Africa Town. It's called Lamert Park, but we're going to change that real soon. If you are a vendor and you want to come out and you want to vend in Africa Town, you just let us know. You know, you can contact Billy and Gladstone or myself, Kevin Warden Price. We're not going to let it be said that we didn't reach across the water both ways and try to do something positive for the people. We're making a commitment to the Nigerian people right here today on this stage. Black power.
Black power.
He said black power, y'all.
Black power.